Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic for all you sneaker enthusiasts out there: how to properly clean your Salomon sneakers. Whether you've just come back from a muddy trail run or your everyday pair is looking a bit worse for wear, I've got you covered. I'll be walking you through the best tips and tricks to get your Salomons looking brand new again. So, grab your cleaning supplies and let's get started.